How to use WeChat Wallet without having a China bank account card. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you that how you can add a card which is not from a China bank, and you still can use WeChat Wallet for your financial transaction if you're in China. So to begin our video, the first thing you need to do is to open WeChat application on your device. Once you open the application, you will see an interface like this. Right at the bottom menu, you will find the option Me. You need to tap on that. Once you tap on the Me option, it will bring you to this menu, and here you will find the option Pay and Services. You need to tap on that. So once you tap on that, it will bring you here, Pay and Services. You will find Money and the Wallet option. So you need to choose Wallet. And on the Wallet page, you will find Balance, Bank Cards, and Consumer Protection. So we will choose Bank Cards. And here you will find the option Add a Bank Card. So you need to tap on Add a Bank Card. So once you tap on that, as you can see, add a bank card. There are the available bank cards, which is Visa, MasterCard, JCB, and Union Pay as well, and a couple of more. So if you have these cards, you can actually enter the card number here. But if you want to scan the card, just tap on the camera icon and it will scan the card and automatically fill in the required information from your card, like the card number, the expiry date, and the CVV. You have to enter that one manually. So I will fill in the card information first, and then we will go to the next step. So guys, once you enter your card details, it will automatically select the card type. But if it doesn't, you can tap on the arrow here and you can select the card type. Once you're done, you need to tap on Next. So once you tap on Next, they say valid date. You need to select the valid date on your card. You can go and choose the date that when is the expiry date on your card. You need to enter it here, the month and the year. So guys, once you select the date, the next thing you need to do is to tap on Next. So guys, once you tap on Next, it will bring you here and they will send you a one-time password from your bank on your registered phone number with the bank. And you need to enter that one-time password here and then tap on Submit, and your card will be added to WeChat Wallet. So guys, this is how you can add a card to the WeChat Wallet. Once you added a card, then you will receive a QR code on that Google Wallet, and you can just scan that QR code and you will pay your financial transaction within China mainland. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.